We're at Bellshill Lake. It's about 6 in the evening, and we're on Range Road 131, about 300 meters north of Secondary Highway 608 in Alberta, Canada. Bellshill Lake is recognized as a globally significant important bird area. The main qualifying species at Bellshill are snow geese. Each year in the fall, in their migration south, tens of thousands of snow geese and other waterfowl stop over at this lake. That's what's brought us here this evening, to check on the presence and abundance of snow geese. Obviously, our timing is pretty damn good. This evening, there are thousands and thousands of geese here. Most of them snow geese. We've seen some white-fronted, and there's likely a few Rosses in the mix. As we look northwest up Bellshill Lake, we can see string after long string of geese flying our way. Wave after wave after wave of geese. They just keep coming, flying over, and most appear to be landing in this field of stubble just to our east. The big question is how many? The site summary for Bellshill records a high of 50,000 in October 2000. We've been here about 45 minutes and the birds are still coming in. It's really quite incredible. Okay, here's my guess. I'm pretty sure we've seen 50,000 tonight. Easy. Let's ask our web viewers. How many geese? Anyone for 100 thou?